There may be scenarios where you need to trigger the same behaviour from more than one event. If you put duplicated behaviours triggered by different events, and then you want to change that behaviour, you will need to change this on every event. By using the run behaviour command, you will only need to include the behaviour on a single event and then trigger it from all the other different events. Let's demonstrate this in an expenses claims form. As the user enters figures into each of the individual expense fields, we want the total figure to update automatically. We will start by selecting one event on which to define the behaviour. It doesn't really matter which one, so we might as well use the first expense, accommodation and meals. Before we define the logic, let's change the name of the behaviour in the Properties panel. This can often make it easier to locate a specific behaviour later in the process. We will use a set field command to calculate the total, and we'll have to use the formula option because we want to grab data from different fields on the form. Now that the calculation is set on that one event, we can use the run behaviour command to trigger that behaviour from different events. As always, let's see what happens when we test the behaviour using the preview feature. As you can see, the calculation is updated when any of the individual fields are changed. And also remember that if you ever need to change the calculation later, you only need to change it on that single event.